This one I better do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did da. Dada cover my face, calling me like bada. Biggie man, we know they wear a bada. Tell me, manuka, what's it gon'? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them, ride the whip. I no fit, die for nothing. My nigga, what's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them, ride the whip. I no fit, die for nothing.
Fell asleep counting the money, huh? Now I'm dreaming about the money, huh? Woke up thinking about the money, hey. Keep my jeans filled with hundreds, huh? Got them fuck niggas out.
Too Cool Gang, man. We back, as you can see, out here with the Scotty. About to get her dropped off, hooked up. Back on the road. Hey, all that can be done. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Anything, man.
I'm gonna do one more before. One more before.
Last time it looked like that.
Yeah.
What is up, gang? It's the next day type beat, man. Got a little running around to do. Yeah, man. Gotta pick up parts, you know, that type of stuff, man. First world problems, you know. Got a little cash on me today. I don't know. I don't normally carry cash. Got a little bit today. Do a couple things. But yeah, man, we're gonna pick y'all up when I get over here. Grab these parts right quick. Alright, gang, we're back. You see, got the parts we need. And cover my name and stuff. But yeah, as you can see, 2020 Roger rod body. One thing you gotta remember, man, once you get them changed out, you put on the kits and stuff, the parts are going good. For your car are no longer slim body. When you need anything done for it, and to answer your question, you gotta get wide body parts. I'll pick back up once you get out here. Alright, gang, we are out here at the shop. Way out here in Douglasville, man. Got the parts delivering, dropping off. You can see, bam, Scotty. Getting to it, man. Getting to it. Ooh. Yes, sir. Getting it done. These are the good video. Very good.
¿Por qué no le pusiste el otro bracket de acá para allá, güey? Este otro que está aquí.
Sí.
Pero no tiene que tener de ¿cómo no va a quedar? Es que aquí le es un white body, le va a una curva. Ninguna de las dos queda.
Man, it's looking real good, man. Oh, these are the ones. Yes, sir. Alright, you handle some business. We'll get right back to you. Hey, what you got? What is up, gang? It's the next day, a new day type beat. Keys. But yeah, hooked on, put it in my pocket. But yeah, man, getting ready to show you guys the kit and the progress and stuff. There's the garage up. Out here bumming it today. Real bumming it, man. It was a long night. It was a long night, man. This is why, as you can see, nothing changed, man. I'm show y'all the good, bad, ugly. The same thing from last night, man. Out here messing with this thing. I was out till like 1 o'clock. I got my little dang light ring set up here. The easiest freaking thing, man. New tire. Took it off, took it to the shop, put the new tire on the rim, brought it back. 6 hours later, still not on. Not, yeah, man. But, reason why, bags under my eyes and all the above. But, hey, I do this for y'all, man. We rocking. And I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. So, yeah, man, here we go. Check out the old car. We out here, main reason for the video. We're going to get the kit, the flares permanently done. And yeah, we had them done approximately maybe 2-3 weeks ago. And they're good, they're not bad, you know what I'm saying? And I like them, so we're gonna go ahead and get them done permanently. They got the kit, they came with 3M, so we got better 3M. Replace the 3M that came with it, and yeah, put these on. They're good, you know, but I don't like, you know what I'm saying, everybody says it looks good and stuff, but check like these little, in this crease right here, you can see from where I went and washed it, you know, water got in there. So yeah, I gotta fix that type of stuff, so we're gonna get it done permanently. Hopefully that'll, you know, take this little crease. But most wide bodies that you even see from the dealership, you know, you can see that, you know, small line and stuff, but not like this, you know what I mean? You know, you can actually get a fingernail in there. And so yeah, we're going to take it to a shop and yeah, get it done permanently. So here we go and get a cold start right quick. One time for the one time. When we out here. Man, let me know what y'all think, man, about the yellow letters on the back, the Dodge. These yellows are matched up though. These are matched with the B perfectly. All the yellows color matched. We got the color code from Dodge to match all the yellows, especially the front. But yeah, let's get a cold start. One time for the one time.
They be trying to talk nice for long enough. What kind of fuck one for? That's gotta do with it. You see what I'm doing right here? Yeah. What's gonna bring me up for?
Hey, we at D's Custom. And you can see. Hey, we gonna get it taken care of. We gonna get this thing permanent. By the shop, man. Check out, man. I'm gonna show you the details. One time for the one time. We got D's Customs. We can check them out. We out here in goddamn Jonesboro, Georgia. Nigga number 44917-4360. They got a lot going on out here, man. They got a lot going on. So yeah, Yeah, man, we got it done, put on in Douglasville, Geo's. They did a jam up job, you know what I'm saying? It ain't bad, man. And they did, you know, exactly what it's supposed to. They painted it, you know, good. And I like it, I love it, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and get it done permanently, get them put on permanent. So that's what we're here to do right now. Yep. This is the before, the last one. Y'all walk around one time. We're gonna do a walk around on the after when we come back and pick her up a little bit later on. Ooh, she look good.
I need to move my truck.
She look good.
Yeah.
So the inside one time. Oh yeah, I got this paper down here trying to keep my mat kind of clean. Skinny. That's her. Alright, man, we'll get back with y'all when we get it done. What is up, gang? Man, I had to chime in real quick and let y'all know my honest opinion. So, Geo's, you know, out in Douglasville, man, I'll leave their link in the description, man. They did a great job. I recommend, highly recommend. It's fast, got it done quick, got it done right the first time. As you can see, they painted it, you know what I'm saying? It looks good. These out in Jonesboro or Hateville, or not Hateville, Forest Park or whatnot, wherever it is, I would not recommend. Me personally, I would not recommend, and here's why. They're a body shop, you know. Most body shops, when you get something done, you know, they'll at least, you know, rinse the car off for you or whatnot, just as a common courtesy. But I had to go there 3 separate times to pick the car up. On the next, you know, video I'm going to show you guys, this is my 3rd time going over there to pick the car up. He called me, and, you know, I'm not just showing up out of the blue. He called me and actually said, you know, your car's ready, it's looking good, you know, come pick it up, bro. I'm thinking it's ready for delivery, you know, ready for pickup. I show up, the car still has tape on it. Still has blue tape on it. These goes to take the tape off or whatnot right in front of me. You know, he's peeling the tape off and it's still wet. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not even dried all the way. So, yeah, I mean, that was the first time. Second time, he called me, yeah, it's good, you know, yada, yada, yada. He, you know, explained exactly what we wanted to do with the project before I even, you know, signed any kind of paperwork. He was like, yeah, of course I can do that. I'll make it look just like it came from a dealership, straight from the factory. All right, bet, let's do that, my man. Talk some numbers, got it done. And, you know, yeah, shoddy work, man. Second time I had to go up there, it was just pretty much, you know, same shoddy work. Third time is when you guys saw me, yeah, right here. You guys a pool one time. See if I can show you guys where we are. Here we go. Oh, shit. Y'all about to give me a damn ticket. Gang. Alright, gang, we are back out here. Finna pick up Scatty, man. Let's check her out. One time for the one time, man. She looking good. She looking better, man. She was up painted. A little bit better, man. A little bit better. Okay. Ants on the car? Alright, there we go. Let's see if she on there. Alright, a little bit better, man. You can tell a little bit, but it's better than it was. It's raining out here, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all. We handle some business.
I hit recorded drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, vintage friends on my face, looking like I'm from the D. These no Cartiers. neighborhood.